Dancehall forever. Devin the Dakta. You are going to know. A war. People can't make up that story. It just naturally wicked. No, we never see this yet before. We don't know say crocodile are something very vicious, crazy, arrogant, cold blooded creatures. Not that case here. Masicka. Not even most may get chased around the place like oh you see what go and run it. So what go? You tell me say when me a witness right now, the man turned the wolf swamp. You know some mouse. Nobody but no. This is just real as it gets. People we never expect to see. Devin the Dakta going like this, you see me? So not to say I'm not lyrical, you know, because you know say I'm always I doing things in a certain way where I say, oh, the forward cross. Really, really entertaining. And we am putting wordplay together. We instruct them something like that. I say, yes, you have to get that to the man. Isn't it? Masicka. Papa Croc. Serious the Croc. Went out for a walk. Quick clock, and never make it back. Things just I get from worse to bad to with it bomb back. I walk going on there, brother. Now you tell me, say no. The man murdered the whole of the crocodile them. Remember no alkaline just camp out, you know, out of the lake, you know. So everybody are running into the lake and oh bro, Jack, gosh, that. Crocodile down there hunting season, brother. Why my people this get real tricky cause never yet in the history of any clash. We are here say boy, you win just from the artwork. Tell me. Say, the only other viral artwork was when time DeMarco do the artwork with the aircraft landing strip. And I tell you say that it just crazy, right? They got the two artists them too. But what we are talking about right now, that cover here with that video, right? Brother, no, no, man. To turn a crocodile in our mouth is just hilarious. So, you tell me, you know, we need to change the name from Devin the Doctor to Devin the Killer. Because the man a kill crocodile. So, it kind of crazy still. Funny. And one of the funniest thing. We see some bad people can't stop laughing at me after I say charge it. Just go and build, you know. And them I say, no brother, this is hilarious because are the people them I say are the wildest one and me I say then the man them I say Virgin the doctor have the man them a run around the place like one lizard in the house. Me I say a serious dog, me I say you can't. Street I say boy the man win war from just the cover when he drop. You alright now? The end scholar have to go just drop something where you go just stop the internet, brother. Cause right now, Devin, they on one level where the people them a say boy, the way the man a break down, oh, him send and they shot them. Amazing. You understand? The man a tell us him a put on the can them. So when you do my please, when you go provoke the quiet giant, so this is what basically me I used to go on people. Me I used to boy Devin the Doctor. Turning a killer overnight, the virgin go up on a campsite and kill every crocodile inside. Brother, you wanna show them say, yo, right now, anything forward from the camp they over there so and then catch them. The man are involved in old man the same old man that just bust a throat. I say blood, fire. Oh that brother you cool so. YouTube, when I never did see that one here come. You see me? Like, remember, it's like the boy, it's in the atmosphere right now. Because Al kind of strike the light on the whole dance all ignite right now. You see me? So, when you look out, because that, you see me? People, you want to do. We are running the channel. Make sure someone do us right. Subscribe, right? Now, it will take a lot to match up back. Which artist, right? I'm going to step to Devin the Doctor right now. And they say, bro, you see me? We need to see what's going on right now, because the energy where the dog is going right now. You see me? We need to see somebody else, because it don't look like, say, boy, Shane Skull. I go take him out of that one. No, brother. So we need to see Masicka answer our next artist. Or, a matter of fact, make we hear the next response that Shane Skull I got drop. You see me? Because I don't know what to go. And music. And I want to go on in that music, so one song to run it. You see me? So one response never ever beef in our music or war. So when you can't judge it and say, alright then Shane Skull lose. Because of that one song then. But the Devin, the Dakta song, brother, that song then. Feel like a CROCS. On fire. From the intro. It's where the drama there right now. Because they must say, boy, the rhymes them a Shane Skull are forward with. Now match up to Devin the Doctor rhymes them. You understand? Devin the Doctor virgin like him doctor up that one there. For real. Just one of them scenario there where boy. You listen to a song and you have to play it back. Then this just a show you say. You see me? This is why Vendetta boss stand Lord cause in a case like this. You think say tell them to low alkaline yeah man, cause this just a show you go for show you say boy how strong Vendetta thing is. You understand me I deal brother, 3 little CROCS run out and one man crush 3 CROCS. You know look good. Street attack crazy right now, you see me? So right now still remember everybody I listen for you father CROCS run out and stomp and something, you see me? Mash up the place up. You never too late. See me? You know say he get very creative when a crocodile have start in prayer. You understand? Look out feet. And the broke neck and the snap roll and thing, you see me so? It's a lot. You not finish yet? Me not think so. It can't go like that. It cannot go like that. You have to revenge it to your crocodile. 3 little CROCS have to get them revenge. You understand? People drop it in the comment section. We attack fear right now in that music. It's very entertaining, talk it through. And now, we don't never expect it. Devin the Doctor when I go deal with Shane Skull like that. That a one. Cause when I say remember, the wildest one is from the swamp, you see me? But from what the man them take the swamp thing for a joke, brother. You see me? Bro, we have to go do something right now, brother. We have to do something right now, brother. Drop a song right now, bro. You see me? Look like say boy, the man them have to go over chat G. Then the next thing what make it so interesting is like the way a dog break down the thing, you know what I mean? Him counteract everything with the virgin saying a theme song. So it's not like the average song where a man a say my answer and then him there all over the place. No, this virgin get right on track, like line for line, word for word, him a go with the next song. Everything what him a say, I go right back to it. You see me? Like even creative how the man go at the last verse when I go after the next 2 virgin them. And I say, yo, the man struck them thing in a way where it's so entertaining that you have to want to listen to it again. And that's the key in this situation. You know what I mean? Him have experience in this. And at first, him a go at clashing. You see me? So him have him experience and him use it to his best ability. You see me? This is the difference with artists who just say them all clash. And an artist who really are studying craft. But you can see not even the Doctor work. You see me? Theme thing different. You understand? Yeah. Big up your dog too, cause A bad song, brother, from the cover. You see me? Yeah, a big up Shane Skull too. Right now, my people, we are talking some honest things we are reason about music. You see me? We are talking about the music on a level. You see me? Because enough people bias and them a take sides. We not take sides. You understand? Yeah, man. But right now, Virgin, the clash up right now in our ear, brother. Fire. You see me? And Shane Skull, we are looking right now, me G, to see where you are going to drop right now. You see me? But I feel like, say, boy, the streets give up on you. That now work around you. Now one day war now work around you. You see me? Make it continue, me G. You hear that? So, with that said, unless Masicka go run out and the shell down the place dark, or I play the levels game and say, I mean, you know, they're on the level.